Alright, so if you've seen part one of this video series, the first part was removal of the bumper, showing where all the clips were. This part's going to be prep and painting of the new bumper. I've already wiped down the bumper with some water to get the dust off of it. I'm going to wipe it down now with alcohol to get any oils off of it. And I'm wearing gloves so that way I don't get any more oil off my hands onto the bumper as I'm doing this. I'm just using alcohol to get rid of the oil with a lint-free cloth. So now we'll let it dry, let the alcohol evaporate, and then we'll prime it. Alright, so my alcohol has dried. I have shaken up my primer cans, or primer can. I've got some base coat also. I have 1 can of primer and 2 cans of base coat and then 2 cans of clear coat. Right, here's the primer that I'm going to use. SEM 39133. If you've never spray painted before, you're going to use light strokes. And if you're going to buy paint in cans and you don't think 1 can is going to be enough, you need to make sure you get them out of the same lot, manufactured at the same time, purchased at the same time also, so that way you wind up getting the same batch, and otherwise you'll have very minor color inconsistencies between them, or the potential to have them. So we'll get started priming here. So right there, the can just floated up on me. The times when that happens, you can turn them over. Spray them out. I just use some compressed air in there to spray out the tip. Coming back for a second coat. Things drying pretty quick. You don't want to do a big thick coat all at once. If you do that, you'll have runs. To 400 grit paper. I've got some 320 sitting here that I'm going to sand at about 30 to 40 minutes from now. So I'm going to have some dinner, come back and sand this down. Well, supper's over. It's been about 45 minutes. I have already sanded and finished prepping the surface. I don't figure I really need to go too far into detail on the sanding procedures. So now we'll paint it. And the painting is going to be done the same way the primer was done. Smooth strokes, holding the can away from the surface, and make sure you don't have any runs. Mm-hmm. When you're done, turn the can upside down and clean out the tip. Alright, so let's take you over and show you what the paint job looks like now. And this is with a rattle can. Not a professional paint job. One little drip mark right here. I don't know if you can see it. The camera will focus on it. Right there. So now you've seen the priming, sanding, and painting of the bumper. Next we will clear coat the bumper to make sure that it stays protected. Before we clear coat the bumper, I want to show you what I was talking about on the paint cans within the same lot. If you look at these two here, this one's sequence 499, this one's sequence 500. Pueblo Gold is the color of the bumper, and this is the cans from SEM. 19063.